It's time for another kitchen gadget video, and these are some items that I got from HSN. So I'm gonna try each one of them out and find out if they're really worth it. And thanks HSN for sponsoring today's video. All right, here is a set of Spurtles. Actually, I don't even know what a Spurtle is, never heard of that, but I don't know, they all kind of like have a curve to it. So I'm gonna like follow along because like on the paper, there's like different things that you can do with them. So I wanna see, so I'm gonna try to like separate egg whites with it, gonna put some frosting on the cake. I'm just gonna try it out and see, because yeah, this is actually my first time of actually hearing about what a Spurtle is. I wanna Google that. What is a Spurtle? Spurtle is traditionally Scottish. Rod-like shape allows for stirring without creating lumps, unlike a spoon. Hybrid kitchen tools, combining a spatula and a spoon to stir, scrape, spread, and scoop. So it's a spoon and a spatula. That's why they all have the curve, so that's interesting. Okay, so we're gonna try these out and see, you know, what they can do. I'm gonna separate egg whites with this one and see if like it actually works. I'm gonna crack this egg, let's see if I can separate it. No! Okay, technically it was working. I think that was user error. Okay, so I think I wasn't supposed to put the whole egg on it, and that was my fault. All right, so now, oh, that did work. Okay, so that works. The first one was my fault. I wonder if I can scoop it out. Oh, I cracked it. Okay, that's my fault. All right, that was interesting. That did work. The first one was definitely my fault, but I definitely see how it actually can work, so that's cool. So we're gonna keep trying with some different ones. I'm gonna ice this cake here, and I'm gonna use two different Spurtles for this. This one I'm just gonna use to stir the frosting. This one I'm gonna basically use like an offset spatula to like smear it on the cake, because I did see that it came with the instructions, so we're gonna see if that actually works. So this is like, I don't know, the scoop Spurtle. I mean, it's definitely working. Like it even like scrapes everything off the side. So I like that. So I'm gonna add some to the top. This one has like a little scoop, so that makes that pretty easy. And let's see if I can like smear this all over the cake. Okay, it's doing its job. Okay, and then like in the picture, the cake on the outside is getting like frosting on it. So I'm gonna do that same thing with this. It's doing what it's supposed to do. I can't really find anything bad about that. It's reusable. You can put in a dishwasher. I like these, so the Spurtles are interesting, and I'm gonna say that they're worth it. This is the electric chop master, and it basically can do all kinds of things. It can whip, it can slice, grate. This tool is, I've never seen that before. So I'm gonna be like using some of the different attachments to see what they can do and find out if this is worth it. All right, so I'm just going to put the garlic attachment on. Or it's not a garlic attachment, it's a peeler attachment. I have my garlic cloves here, and I'm going to use this attachment to see if it takes the skin off. I did like cut the stem ends off because that's what the paper said, so I'm thinking that really matters. I don't know if I should have had more or less, but we'll find out if it works. Oh, it has different things. Chop, peel, dough whisk, slice, shred, pulse. So I'm just gonna click peel and find out. Oh, you can put a timer on it. That's cool. Oh, it's coming off actually. I did a couple pulses of that. Like there's a few that didn't get peeled, but I'm sure if I kept it in there and kept doing it, it would work. But I've tried other garlic like gadgets before. That worked. Wow, that literally took, wow, I'm impressed. I think I want to keep it going. I want to get them all. Let's keep it going and see. Oh, oops, gotta put that in there, okay. They came right off. Okay, I guess it did work. I'm about to say there's some that didn't do it, but I guess it kind of started it for me and I was able to just take it right off. Like, look at that. This is definitely worth it. Like I've tried other garlic like gadgets. This actually works really well. Never even knew that, I don't know, something like this could like work. So but definitely worth it. But let's try the next attachment. This is the next attachment. This is a slicer or a grater, but I'm gonna try slicing first. And I have a carrot here, so let's see if this actually does it. So I'm just gonna slice it. Oh, that was quick. I didn't even know it was doing it. Okay. Wow, like some of these are disc and then the other one I turned it sideways. Like that was so good, like it happened so quickly. I have like nothing bad to say about that. Like that was so cool, like that's definitely worth it. So this is a whisk attachment and I'm going to be able to basically whisk like this heavy cream to make a whipped cream. So I'm gonna try to see if it works because I've actually never tried to do something like this before. So I'm just gonna use like 2 cups of like heavy whipping cream. At this point, I could like put sugar in there if I wanted it sweet, but we're just gonna try it just like it is to make sure it works. Okay, that was 30 seconds. Look, it worked already. Like it literally made whipped cream. All right, I'm gonna test it out with my Spurtle. Look at that, it literally 30 seconds, it made the whipped cream. Yeah, I mean, it's not sweet. I didn't put sugar in it, but this is actually my favorite one. So this definitely is worth it. So many different attachments. It's not even physical buttons. It's like kind of like touch screen. So that's kind of cool. So yeah, definitely worth it. This is the expandable cake taker. So basically it starts off pretty small like this and all I have to do is twist it and it gets a little taller so you can like fit like a larger cake in it. This is actually something that I would use because like when you're trying to carry a cake, sometimes like cardboard box, you kind of have to keep throwing those away, get a new one. This is reusable. You can put it in the dishwasher. I think this is really good, so I'm gonna try it out. Here's a little sunflower cake that I made. Looks pretty good. And I'm basically gonna see if it can go in here because right now you can kind of see that this is a little too tall for this, especially when I put it on top of like the platter at the bottom. So we're gonna put it on the inside. All right. Yeah, this would definitely hit the top. Okay. Open this up. I can click that down. Actually, it doesn't have to be that tall, but I want to lock it because it locks so it can't like push down. All right. I like that. That's cool. It's like secure. You can reuse this over and over again. I like it. It expanded. The cake fits. It's reusable. It's nothing really wrong with that. So this is definitely worth it. So I'm very happy because all of those gadgets work. I think they all serve their purpose. They're pretty cool. Some of them I've never even heard of before, so I love that. So if you want to try any of these gadgets for yourself, make sure you check out the HSN link I have in the description below. And if there's any other gadgets that y'all want to see me try out, make sure you let me know in the comments. And until then, I'll see y'all in the next video.